Hi everyone, welcome to Royal Computers. Today in our Royal Computers we are going to see how to keep our name as our wallpaper. So I'm going to tell it in two methods. One method is without any app or application and second method is with app. So first let's see without any app or application how to do it. For that you have to go to Chrome browser. So after that you have to click YouTube. So here I'm having YouTube. So if you use frequently YouTube, it will come here. If you are not having it, you have to just put youtube.com, then it will come. So I'm just opening from here. Now it has opened. So now you have to go to search bar and search for what is your name, and you have to put name images. So now I'm searching in Vidya. Okay, so now I'm searching for Parvati. Parvati, name images you have to put. Images. What's your name? For that you have to just put name images. So okay, so many images are there here. You have to go into images. So now for this itself, this wallpaper itself, they have kept some downloaded image in Google. So you can also take it from here. Suppose for example I'm telling this like this, you can take it. So today I'm taking in this one. I'm taking, so I have to just press it lightly and go to download image. So download. Now it has downloaded. So after that you have to go into this and just have to click this wallpaper and go to my photos. Now see, it has come. You have to just set wallpaper. So I'm just showing you. So I'm putting home screen. Now that's all. See. So now let's see how to do it with app. And in this app you need your name art wallpaper, name shadow art maker. So the logo is this one. So I'll give the link in description box. You can go and install it easily. So now you have to go into this app. Now after you are installing, it will ask for login and all. After this you have to come. So here it will show like this. From here I'm showing everything. So you have to go to create and enter your name. So you have to click this one and write type what is your name. So I'm just typing Parvati. What is your name? You have to just type it and put create. So that's all. Now if you want in fonts, you have to go to fonts and just have to, so here there will be like this blue color. So this is for downloading. I'm just downloading it. So now I'm taking this. You can also download what and all your favorite is. So after that you have to go out and go to colors, and if you want in single colors you have to take like this. So see, single color is coming. If you want in multiples you have to click like this. So see, I'm taking in multiples and just have to save it. Save this button and go to export. It will ask for one ad. You have to just go to close, and then maybe later if you want you can also rate it. So now see, it has come. Now you have to go to click these three buttons and go to upload to photos, and you have to upload. Uploading photo, it will come. It will take some time. After that it will come. Now see, it has come. So now that's all. Now I have to go out and just have to go to wallpaper. Each phone there will be different things to go to wallpaper. You have to just, because the brand is different, no, and this my photos will be definitely in all phones. If you're not having this part, don't need to worry. So you have to just see where is it, because each brand has different this my photos in different parts. Just have to go into this. Now see, it is there. You have to just click it and you just have to put set wallpaper. So for now, so home screen is for outer side. If lock screen is for before this password, putting that it will show that wallpaper. No, if after you are putting that wallpaper, after you are putting this password, it will come home screen. That is called home screen, and this is lock screen. If you want to keep it as both home and lock screen, I'm just putting this home and lock screen. So now that's all. Now it's very simple to keep your name as your wallpaper. So with app also I've shown you, without app also you can do this. So if you like this video, please put like, and for more interesting video, please subscribe to my channel. So in another an interesting video I will meet you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.